In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to reactivate your Snapchat account after you deactivated it. To reactivate your deactivated Snapchat account, simply follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat on your device or mobile or desktop. 2. Log in with the username of the account that you want to reactivate. Just log in with the username of the email of the account you are willing to reactivate. You must log in within 30 days of deactivating your account to reactivate it. After this period, the account will be scheduled for permanent deletion and cannot be recovered. Just please note, while your account is deactivated, you cannot change your password or use your email address or phone number to log in. Once an account is permanently deleted, it cannot be reactivated. Therefore, it's crucial to reactivate your account within the 30-day window if you wish to continue using Snapchat with the same account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.